Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm part of the Visermark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another one of the Xiaomi smartphone series, the Xiaomi Redmi A2 battery performance. Are you ready? The Xiaomi Redmi A2 features a textured finish for a secure grip and matte surface to reduce fingerprints. However, its MediaTek Helio G36 processor, combined with 2 GB or 3 GB of RAM, may result in occasional performance issues when running complex apps, making it less suitable for demanding tasks. The Xiaomi Redmi A2 joins the entry tier, between 0 and €199. It is a compact, lightweight phone with an ergonomic design. The Redmi A2 performed well in the overall battery ranking performance, getting a score of 44 out of 100. It achieved 2 days of use, translating into 54 hours between charges. It takes 2 hours and 48 minutes to reach 100%. It scored 1.5 out of 5 for smartphone battery efficiency, same as the Oppo A57. The Redmi A2 would use 3 kWh per annum taken from the Visermark battery performance testing. Among these 3 smartphones, the Oppo A57 excels with a leading battery score of 53/100, offering vibrant display, extended screen time, and fast charging. The Xiaomi Redmi A2 follows closely with a score of 44/100, focusing on a balance between performance and battery longevity. The Honor X7, though behind with a score of 41/100, boasts an immersive display and modern features like a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The Xiaomi Redmi A2 offers a battery life of 2 days, equivalent to 54 hours. It performs just 1 hour less than the top-ranking Oppo A57, which provides users with 2 days or 55 hours of battery life. Meanwhile, the Honor X7 falls slightly behind, offering 1.5 days or 39 hours of battery life. The Xiaomi Redmi A2 is a budget-friendly smartphone with compromises in performance and camera capabilities. It's suitable for basic tasks but lacks high-end features. It offers a compact design, decent display, and long battery life. Consider it for basic use, but don't expect cutting-edge features or top-tier performance. Stay tuned for our upcoming smartphone battery performance review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.